Hello everyone, this is SFC Spectacular, back on this mic to rock your body right, and I'm your NCOIC for all things entertaining on this channel. Stay tuned for some PC updates. Alright, welcome back people, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? I hope you're living that Rona-free life. Hope this pandemic hasn't gotten you down too much. As for me, I've taped this video 3 times. This is the tres, my friend. I had to get the haircut with the beard and straighten up the script and put more info in it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. First off, I want to talk about the PS5 and the Xbox architecture. More specifically, the PS5. I've learned a lot about this thing in the last few days, weeks, whatever you want to call it. And AMD is hooking both companies up, but more so with the PlayStation. I've been learning about PC parts this last few months. That's why I'm building one, right? But it seems like the PlayStation and the Xbox has got some new architecture in it for the first time. That will be debuting in console, and PC gonna have to wait a little bit. But it's okay. I think it's still fun to PC. We'll get that new architecture. I also wanted to talk about how I'm getting ready for the changeover. I've been switching my games off, downloading games on PC from the Xbox Live. I bought Far Cry 1 through 3 last night, so I'll get to play Far Cry 1 and 2 for the first time on PC. Boom, that's a plus, right? But I am just getting my system ready for the big changeover. No more, I was saying to myself, man, no more PS5, no more PlayStation. That's wild. But hey, what it is, gotta get ready for the future, and the future is PC for me. Backwards compatibility for the PS5 and the Xbox. Seems like the Xbox has got all of its chips laid out for backwards compatibility. They say they're going all the way back to Xbox, the first one. PlayStation 5, for now, all we know is it's going to PlayStation 4. We know that it'll play PlayStation 4 games for sure, right? Well, that's what they're saying. Brings up another interesting topic. But backwards compatibility will not be a big issue once I get my hands on this PC and get it all built up. The newest part of the PC that I want to talk to you guys about, well, I will talk to you about in the video, is the XFX 5700 XT by AMD. Got that thick boy, that 5700 XT. No, I'm just playing with y'all. But yeah, this bad boy, that boy costs a lot of money. But I got it. I need the motherboard. I changed up my NVMe. I don't know who uses those damn initials. Goddamn, why'd I do that? But that data stick, I need the. I'm gonna get the 400 megabytes per second one. No. 4,000. It's 4,000. I'm so fucked up. Anyway, but I'm gonna get that, and this computer should be pretty fast. All in all, when it's said and done, I think I'm gonna be in the $1,200, $1,300 neighborhood building this PC. But this thing is real expensive. I say that, a lot of work, but it's gonna last me for a while, so I'm looking forward to it. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Take it away. And as you can see here, here's the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, 8-core, 16 threads at 4.4 gigahertz. Since the taping of this, AMD has come out with a bunch of extra processors, but what's done is done. You can't grow up with spilled milk. I'm still impressed with this processor or the research I've conducted on it so far. And I'm eager to see what it's like once it goes inside what I will be calling the war machine. I think I'm gonna call it the war machine. That's tentative for right now. We'll see. Moving right along to my chosen case, it is an APVIA, I think you said, Crusader PC case. Yep, and there is the picture up there. They don't sell this in white anymore. I got one of the last white ones, I guess, because this thing hasn't come back in stock in white, but it's pretty good. This the black one I got up there, and that's how much I paid for this particular model. Looking snazzy. But if you turn it upside down, guess what? Sort of looks like a PS5, doesn't it? You like that? That wasn't on purpose. I had no idea how the PS5 would look when I got this case. I just wanted to go with a white case and it looked nice. I like the front, gives it character. Of course, it's got the glass paneling there, those frosty fan blades in the front. I think it has a lot of distinction. That's why I chose it, and it stands out. I like the white. I didn't want to go with a black case. I already got one. We removed the side paneling on the other side, and you can see the cord management before we do anything to it. A bit of a mess in there, but I'm pretty sure I can work my way around it. But once I'm done, I'll have everything nice and neat in a tight little compact compartment. That is the goal. Now, in the last entry to this video, this journey of building the PC, I didn't get to mention the power supply. Power supplies right now are in high demand. I'm guessing due to the pandemic and shortage of parts, but I got this one. I think this was pretty good. I got this the same time I got the case. I think I mentioned that in the last video. I put the price up there too. It's a little pricey for a power supply, but I think it's pretty good at 650, 80 plus rating. Should power everything we need. You see my dogs fighting in the back, them old numbskulls. I am confident that this power supply will get the job done. It'll fire everything up, fire power supply to the graphics card, CPU, everything that needs it. And at 650 watts, from what I've seen on buildionpc.com, it should work. So that's my goal, that's my hope. And now that we got most of the parts together, me and my faithful puppy here, we're gonna get ready to put together this piece. No, we can't put together the PC without the missing parts, but he was ready to put it together. So we let him get up on the table and take a look around. He pretty nosy. Go ahead, Cowboy, get out of here. This was not a part of the original plan for my build, but I was doing some surfing for a new mouse on Amazon. By the way, all of my parts were obtained on Amazon. I'm putting the full price list down below in the description. But this mouse came up in my searches, and I was like, dang, I'm not really an Iron Man fan, but this mouse is definitely that fire, as the kids say. It is the bee's knees. And I chose the War Machine version of this mouse, which is what prompted me to try to call my whole PC War Machine. I think it goes pretty well with it. Look at that, man. The eyes actually light up when you turn a specific switch on the bottom. You know, you got the regular mouse paddles, the wheel, and there's a DPI switch in the middle. It will get you jumped up. I will not be gaming with this, but I'll be using it. Now, we come to the Pierre de la Resistance. Is that how you say it? The Pierre de... I don't know how to say that shit. Look, here is the XFX 5700 XT Thicc, boy.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
It supposedly can put out up to 8K graphics, 60 frames, I think, per second. I'm not quite sure. I'll do some testing. I am not a benchmarking type person, but I will try to do my best once I get this put together. And this graphics card is supposed to be the best that AMD has. Let's take it out of the box and give a look at it. And we just open it up. It's nice to open it up on camera. I think I'm gonna do that from now on. Take this bad boy out of the box, give it a look upon Gonda, put our eyes on it. Ooh. Alright, so as we take it out of the box, we can see it's not very much in here. There is a warranty card, there's user instructions, and the XFX 5700 XT itself. It has dual BIOS on it, but I won't be able to research that until I plug it in. get it all hooked up. It is, like I said before, capable of 8K graphics. I don't know if I'll ever need that, but it's future proof. At 60 frames per second, this is a pretty beefy boy. I don't know in comparison to other graphics cards per se, like nvidia's line, because I'm not too familiar with it, but I did a lot of AMD research, and this is the best that AMD has to offer, as I mentioned before. Got that triple fan blade design there, get a little nick in the plastic, but that'll be all right. A nice underboard area, nice glossy finish. That'll look real nice in the case once we get it inside. Side note, this is the Thicc 3, just the regular. There is an ultra model. I have the regular. I thought that was interesting because I haven't heard many people talk about it in their review of the 5700 XT Thicc 3, but this is the regular. All right, back over to the studio. Hey guys, I appreciate you for stopping by, watching my videos, watching all of my videos. You can still go to Gaming So Spectacular and watch those old videos. You can catch me on Twitch. You can catch me on Instagram, and if you want to, you can catch me on Twitter. But as always, I appreciate you for stopping by here and coming by and watching at all. Until the next one, take care of yourselves. And if you can't be good, be good at it. I'm out of here. Peace. Hey, come on, man. Get up here. See, check it out, man. Cowboy. This dude don't want to be filmed. Cowboy. Cowboy doggy boy. Come back here, man. Get up here, puppy. Get up here, puppy. Get up there, puppy.
Come here, right here.
Come here, man. Come here, man. Cowboy.
Baby, put him back over there.
Cowboy.
Right here, cowboy. Cowboy, right here.
Right there, man. A stinky doggy, huh? Stinky doggy helping with the computer.
Get it, cowboy. Get it.
That stinky doggy boy gonna put together this computer?
Get it.
Cowboy, you gonna put together this computer?